Hey folks, I said we'd come back later and figure out the hex situation. It's now later. So let me show you what we're working with here. We've got this going on. We were having some trouble getting our from hex implementation to work, so I found something else that I thought would work more effectively, which is this hex string to UIColor. There were a couple of mistakes in some of the syntax down here for the others, and so I'm going to give this a try. Except I'm going to turn it into a convenience initializer rather than like a method. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to do this instead, except this is going to be, instead of a function, it's going to be a convenience init. It's going to be a string, which is what we wanted in the first place. I don't want it to return gray as like a default. Doesn't need to return anything at all because it's an initializer. And this is going to be self.init. So that's how we turn that method into a convenience initializer. And then we have to change out all these thingies. So this is going to be hex like that, and not with this. And I guess it can have the octothorpe on the front because we check. I like having it on there because I think it makes it clear what's going on. Okay, let's try that. It's running in the meantime. Get up our terminal. Okay. Oh, that looks nice. Those are the colors that we wanted, right? So here's what we're going to do. Git status. Git add existing. Git status. And what I want to do is the only thing that I want to add. I actually don't want to add any of that. Git commit add collection view to display categories on the browse screen. Git status. Cool. Git branch. Git push. Beautiful. So this has reminded me of something else that I would like us to do that we did last time. We messed with last time. Basically, we want this thing to have a reuse identifier. And I want to define it in here. So previously, what we're doing is in our browse view controller, we do the reuse identifier like this. I don't want that. I want CategoryCell.reuseIdentifier. And the way that we're going to define that is like so. We're going to come in here and we're going to say static let reuseIdentifier equal like so. That should run just fine. That was something that we like messed with a lot in one of the previous streams. And I was trying to do this, and I'd completely forgotten about the static keyword in Swift, so that's what we need to do. And that should run just fine. What is the problem? What did I remove? Let's undo whatever I did in here. Oh, I see. That extra paren has to come off. CategoryCell dot reuseIdentifier. Oh, look, there it is. Sweet. All right. Beautiful. Amazing. Alright, that was the one thing I wanted to clean up. We'll come back in the next stream and do some more UI work on this browse screen and potentially maybe even hook it up to an API. See you later.